Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can connect or link your Twitch channel with your YouTube channel. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go right click top corner on your name and just click here settings. Right when you have it, you're gonna see connections right here. Click on it, and now what you want to do is just click YouTube and connect it right here. And that's pretty much it, and this is how you do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. So again, right top corner, settings, connections, and just connect it to your YouTube. Have a great day, everybody, and yeah, goodbye.